nothing but the output வந்து filter பண்றதுக்கு தான் will use like if I use like similar to that right similarly we use script to find a pattern right cut கூட நம்மளுக்கு தேவையான refinement we can do like if I do right let I take this file if I take this file I'll grep EC2 only okay I- i- இந்த ஃபைல் என்ன ஃபைல் பாத்தீங்களா லைக் யூசர் கிரியேஷன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா all the users will have a entry to this particular file okay EC2 hyphen user I'm grepping this சோ நம்ம பாத்தீங்களா நம்மளுக்கு இருக்கு இப்ப ஐ வாண்ட் டு கெட் இந்த லைன் வந்துச்சு ஐ வாண்ட் டு கெட் ஒன்லி த ஈஸி டு யூசர் எனக்கு இதெல்லாம் வேண்டாம் எனக்கு ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் திஸ் இதெல்லாம் எனக்கு எதுவுமே வேண்டாம் ஐ ஜஸ்ட் நீட் ஒன்லி த திஸ் பர்டிகுலர் யூசர்னா we can use the cut command like instead of grep right we can use cut syntax பாத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க இருக்கும் cut hyphen d hyphen d is to நம்ம if we help if we go to help right so see right hyphen d for delimiter என்ன delimiterல நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம் like what are the things என்னென்ன it goes right it takes this four like this like 2 7 flags so நம்மளுக்கு என்ன required we will see that and we will take care on that so இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு we are like you can see right everything is delimited with colon, right? So we can use hyphen D as a hyphen D with a delimiter. Colon as a delimiter means filter. Cut hyphen D. Then you have to give the delimiter. Then end of field, the first field, right? We need only the first field hyphen F1 field list. So we are getting field, right? In the field, no, first. If I give enter, right? We are getting everything right. இப்ப இதுலயே we can grep. If you use before grep right, grep PC2 hyphen user. So on the listல இருக்க இந்த particular fileல இருக்க எல்லாவோட first time it took it right. If you want particularly for easy to use if you give grep இப்ப இந்த பைப்போட சிம்பிள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா we can use multiple commands in a single. So அதனால so we use the cat command அதோட output will pass to grep grepோட output pass to cut so finally we achieve the required result so இப்ப இதுலயே வந்து you want to have some other different like based on the field you can get it like if I want to get the X or if I don't want to get the group ID like 1 2 and 3 if you put the 3 right in the field list F1 bundle if you give F3 right you will get that so it's like filtering based on delimiter. Like wherever you see delimiter, right? The next letter is the corresponding number. So either first you see one delimiter, second then delimiter, third delimiter, four like you want to get like that. So if I want to get EC2 na, then it will print. If I want to this line na, it will print till this delimiter. Like what is this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I give 5 right field list it will give this one. If I want to see for everything, right, we can remove the grep command remove பண்ணிட்டு we can use with the cut option. Like in the file, like the field file, particular line, what are all இருக்கும். So everything we are getting on that. Okay. So this is the cut command. Easily, like we can define so much things like this is either number like when we see the Linux basics, right? We saw this is to append, right? Like append output to like one or other files, right? Then what is this like less than symbol? It is like a input. We are giving input to a file. So இப்ப நம்ம cut கொடுத்துட்டோம் like cut hyphen d is the same command I'm using it. I want to use a delimiter. So colon delimiter. I want to get the field words. So if I give something right, it doesn't take anything, right? The screen when on a screen பாத்தீங்கன்னா nothing, it's not doing anything, so I cut the operation. So if you use this command, right, I'm giving input, I'm giving input to the file. So if I give this, right, so whatever we get output from this command, right, we are passing this to the cut command. Like this is redirection. We won't use much, but wanted to know when we saying like greater than, right? What is the use of that? Remember less than use number path, no? So we are passing, right? Like whatever we passing, right? We are getting. If I want to get the field 5, right? We have changed here. So in the output, what this command gives output, right? In the output, it passes as a input to this command. So we are giving input to a file. Otherwise, we'll use less than. Okay. For file, right? For file, we use a single colon, like single. If you want to pass in a file, right? We can pass, but etc. So we can pass for single thing. We have to pass. If we are passing a file to that command, right? We have to use single lesson mark. If you pass in string, like in the command particular, you get output in screen, right? If you're getting output in a screen, that output consider as a string, and the string number passing as to input to this. For that, we need to use triple lesson symbol. If you want to pass a file நம்ம பாஸ் பண்றோம்னா like password is a file, right? If you see etc password, right? There is nothing, right? It means it is a file. So we are passing this file to this command, right? For that we use single lesson. Okay. So இதெல்லாம் நம்ம எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம்னா like how we use, right? When we do a shell scripting, when you're writing automation, right? A particular command requires input from an output from a different command, right? On the time we can use these operators.